Bueno, transforma on youth como Pablo, this kind. Passing away inside your Christ. Okay. And you walking outside, you wasting life doing the wasting time for you. Wasting all the resources playing the young not to not blessing again. But here we go to practice him. We're telling Malachi 3 not 10 inside your life from Mipla. We're moving back from God inside you. Give it to stop again now. Diocese we stop again. Thank you, Nabaiva. What's up, boss? We're seeing stuff and you go walking straight here. Backside of this now, Morava, you play ready.